going to do one more document in Lesson 83, Table 8344, a boxed table. Note over here on the left, for accurate format scoring, be sure to apply shading using the Borders and Shading dialog box and select 25% shading from the Style box. See Lesson 68 of your Word manual. This also uses proofreading marks, so be sure to review the rough draft to understand how to apply those proofreading marks before you begin typing. There is a list of them all in your reference manual, the pages at the beginning of either your textbook or the Word manual. Now, if you'll remember, the last letter you typed had an enclosure notation. This is the enclosure for that letter. Therefore, it needs to be typed on A4 size paper. So that should be our first step: page layout, size, and A4. Next, we insert a table with 3 columns and 7 rows. Merge the cells in row 1. You can apply bold and center and turn on caps lock and type the title of the table. Press enter once, type the subtitle, press enter once again for the blank line after the title block. Go back to the title and change it to 14-point font size. Next we go to the column heading row, and here we can apply bold and center format and then enter the rest of the table information. Here is all the information in the table typed in and correctly interpreting the proofreader's marks. Notice that the circle means to spell out September, and when it circles the ampersand, spell out and. Reversing position in this last center cell here. Alright, the next step is going to be to apply 25% shading to the column heading row. Let's select that whole row, go to the Borders and Shading command, which you find here at the bottom of this menu. Move to the Shading tab, and under Style, move down to 25%, and OK. Next we apply AutoFit. We center the table horizontally, and then we center it vertically on the page. This should be a review now, since we covered all of this extensively in session 4 before our outcome assessment. Okay, you can see now by scrolling that this table is positioned in the center of the page both horizontally and vertically. You should get out the model document, compare your work, and then save, submit for scoring, and correct all keystroke errors.